It's Thursday the 21st of March, about 4 o'clock, 4:30. First tour of the garden this year. Things are really coming along nicely. The hedge from trimming last year is looking absolutely mint. Love that. We walk down here, I'm buying a pressure washer and I get rid of all this moss. This is because I feed my plants really well and you get runoff, which encourages feeds it really well. Builds up really quickly. But apart from that, let's have a look here, shall we? We have self-seeded. Some primroses there. Geranium, pink variety, perennial, which is great. Foxglove there. These hollyhocks are great, but I just want to show you this. They do suffer with rust. See that leaf there? If you look underneath, it's like bubbles of rust. Then we have some daylilies. This is golden, I forget the name of it, golden something. Really yellowy gold, absolutely mint. Come down here. This is absolutely amazing. We have, I forget the name of these, the white perennial stocks or flops, one or the other. Come down here. These are getting ready to come through them. And then we have some lupins there. Come down here, primulas, look absolutely amazing. Look at the flowers on those. And the lupin there. The daylily. The lawn's getting ready for its first cut. So now the temperatures are starting to rise a little bit. When it gets over, I think 10 or 12 degrees, that's when the garden starts really kicking into grow mode. This is a perennial ground cover like a rocket plant that I always forget the name of. I had this years. If anybody can remember the name of it, please post in the comments. So I'd love to know the name of that. If you come around here, some more primulas. Looking great. Between that we have Aquilegia self-seeded. Another primula here. Beautiful pink. And if you come down here, some peonies here. And then Japanese anemones. Then we have these amazing scented as well daffodils. These are in all quite tall, probably a foot tall. You know, as you can see, always weeded. I have to get the hoe on this, get rid of all the weeds. This got weeded end of last year, but it just comes back. We've had a really mild winter lately. Before, when it was really cold, all this will have stayed weed free all winter till now. And I won't have to do it in the spring. This is a self-seeded dwarf delphinium. It's got some beautiful flowers on it, like a blue, which I really do love. And just come down here. This is where we feed the birds. Spend a fortune on bird feed. Down here, this ivy. This was seeded with the bird poo. Must have ate some of the ivy fruits, so it's self-seeded. But the other side of this, there should be, I don't know if it's been dug up, but a big plant. I climbed on the other side. Yeah, see this here? This is another absolutely amazing peony. Early variety Northwest one at the back there. Come around here, clematis I did have growing here, but that seems to have gone, unfortunately, which is a shame. But yeah, this has got daylilies. We have some beautiful bells, really nice bluebells, and then this is a perennial poppy, self-seed, grow from seed, a white one, whitish, like Diane Joyce. Nice big hollyhock here, getting ready for spraying. I spray for caterpillar damage because they tend to hibernate in there come out and eat all the leaves. But there isn't much caterpillar damage. There's some, as you can see, not a lot. Some at the back there, so I'll spray all those. And then we come down here, have my pots. You got building this sand put up against that fence there. The last panel on the left, just before the window. If I can build probably 4 or 5 tier coming out, probably 3 feet. I have to get a lot of pots on there. And we've got a lot of plants. Beautiful poppy here, perennial. And this bleeding heart dicentra, absolutely amazing. And here another peony that grows and smells absolutely awesome. This is the first year this flowering. This is beautiful cross-between the yellow and the pink. As you can see, it's a bit like a blood orange. It's got an amazing colour. They come out yellow, then they fade. That pink. Oh no, there might be 2 there, sorry. It is 2. Get mixed up. I don't know if you can see that little ladybird in there. This bleeding heart, this is always the first one to get going. This I just love. Absolutely stunning. See that? By the way, I hope everybody's keeping fine. Everybody's had a good winter. I really do enjoy this time of year. Another looping down there. Then we have irises. These grow absolutely bearded iris, absolutely amazing. If you look at some of my later videos, later in the year. More primulas there. Another lupin. No damage there, so obviously that a good spray. We have down here. Spin down here. This is Pentstemon. I don't know if that's going to survive. So that's, I think with the gardening, I think it's put it back too far. That so that might not survive after that. Nice we did. Coming around here, one of my pots that's got 2 foxgloves growing in it, which would be great. Well, that was from last year. I think that looked. Coming down here, see how mild it's been. This is a petunia that is still alive. It's got polymildew. Hopefully that's going to come back. Campanula, blue ground colour plant, beautiful bluebells. Come in here, anything growing there? No, that's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Aquilegia Easter bonnet there. So look at this beautiful dicentra bleeding heart. I love that. As we come a little bit further down, some more perennial poppies there, and then we have here, these are my pot grown peonies. Need weeding, but that'll give them a good feed. Don't let them dry out, whatever. Not really stunts the growth.